How to fix Nvidia display settings are not available on Windows 11. So there are three methods to fix this. So the first one is to check the display connection. Your PC generally has two types of display ports: Intel integrated graphics and Nvidia graphics hardware. If your monitor is connected to the wrong display port, the Nvidia control panel will fail to detect the graphics card. Before trying out software solutions, you should first identify the display ports and connect your monitor's display adapter to the Nvidia graphics hardware port. Reset your computer after fixing the connection and check to see that it works. Now the second one is to use VGA to HDMI converter on your graphics card. If the problem persists after connecting your display cable to the appropriate slot, you can try using a converter or changing the display adapter. One of the more popular converters is VGA to HDMI, which allows you to use one of the HDMI ports on your computer. And the last one is to simply uninstall and reinstall graphics card drivers. So I already made a tutorial about how you can uninstall and automatically reinstall the graphic card driver. So if you want, you can check that out. And basically that's it for today's video. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.